I'm Christine Fellingham, and I'm back with another Monday Makeover. I'm here again with board-certified cosmetic surgeon Dr. Julene Samuels in her beautiful offices in Norton Commons. We're talking about something today that a lot of women worry about, and it's their hands.
Right. So a lot of women will come to Mindy and I and talk about how they feel like their hands age them. And you'd be surprised how many women that is. And what they don't like is the thinning of the skin. As we get older, our skin thins. The blood vessels become more visible, the tendons become more visible, and brown spots. And so they ask us what they can do. And in addition to some really nice skincare, we can also now do things that plump the skin and give it more youthful appearance, hiding some of those visibilities. And one of the things that we do is Sculptra to the hands. Sculptra is an injectable. It's a collagen stimulator, so it can give a nice thicker look to the skin and also hide some of the veins and things that patients see. So we will do a couple of rounds of Sculptra at 6-week intervals. We use a really nice fine cannula, and there's very little downtime. Patients leave and they might have a little bit of bruising for a week. If the texture and tone of the skin is a problem and the skin is crepey, or if there are brown spots, which are very common on the upper extremities and the hands, then I involve Mindy and we will do one of our favorite lasers, the Norton BBL.
So Mindy, can you tell us a little bit about what you can do for texture, tone, and sunspots with the BBL?
Sure. Well, we have the Forever Young BBL, and we talked about it in another segment, using it on the face and the body. We didn't talk about the hands. The hands is a gray place. We seem to collect brown spots from the sun, and periodically the BBL can take those out, can bring the brown to the surface. There's not a lot of downtime with it. We can also work on the texture of the skin by using even a light micro laser peel that will take a few days to heal. I've noticed that over the last few years in the cosmetic industry, we work so hard on our face and neck, but we forget about the hands, and the hands can tell the age. So I recommend with products that use the same products you're going to use on your face and neck, use it on your hands, and use that sunscreen on your hands as well.
Now, is BBL your favorite laser for the hands, or is there anything else that you bring in to these treatments?
It's my favorite because with the Norton BBL, that we can get the color out, so we can work on that. If you have broken spider veins, we can work on those. And then with texture, again, it's going to be the laser resurfacing. So we can take care of the hands, and then we can do the Sculptra injections in between time as well to build the hands up.
Now, do you ever use Exilus? Is that something that you ever add to your arsenal?
You know, I have. And again, we use Exilus on many places and a lot on the neck and the face, but using it on the hands works well. It will build up, make the skin actually a little thicker, a little more collagen stimulation. And so I love it for the hands. And that's a treatment that we can do easy with no downtime.
So at a time when people may be looking at their derby photos and noticing that the hand on their julep glass doesn't look as young as their faces, they might be very interested to find out you have all of these options available, all with very little downtime. So go to WHAS11.com, Great Day Live, if you want to check out the archives and learn more, or go to a Women's Touch MD, and if you schedule an appointment, mention Great Day Live, and you'll get a discount. Thanks again for joining us on another Monday Makeover.